Guys, good afternoon. This is Jonathan Kapic over at Starboard Yacht Group, the Seakeeper project manager. I'm out here in South Florida on a nice hot June day doing a quick annual service on two Seakeeper 9s on this awesome 94 Ferretti. So I wanted to walk you guys through the process real quick on what has to be done on your Seakeeper annually so you guys can maintain your Seakeeper and get the maximum performance that you desire out of your Seakeeper. So real quick, we're gonna swap out the accumulators on the hydraulic manifold. So these accumulators maintain the pressure in the manifold. So when we replace these, we lose the pressure in the manifold. So we're gonna pump new fluid through there, repressurize the manifold. You're good to go on there. And then we're gonna move on to the heat exchanger. So on the heat exchanger, you have coolant, 50-50 radiator coolant inside the heat exchanger. We're gonna flush that out, put new coolant in there for you guys, and once we're done with that, we're swap out the zinc on the heat exchanger, and that's it. You guys are gonna be on your way and enjoy your day on the water. Give us a call if you need anything.